Hi guys, welcome to today's episode of Vilma Paints Her Face. I am the host, Vilma. That's so silly. Anyway, guys, today I'm so excited. I will be trying the new Covergirl True Blend foundation with the True Blend Undercover Concealer. I've actually heard really good things about this concealer, so I'm excited to try both of these. I don't have any CoverGirl foundation. And I can't believe that because I have a lot of other, like, mainly drugstore foundations, but I don't remember ever using CoverGirl. And I don't know why. Anyway, so today I'm going to be trying this. It's supposed to be a comfort matte, transfer resistant is what it says. Transfer resistant? Okay. Alright, and this is in the color Warm Honey. T30 is what this color is. And the concealer is also the same color, but it's T300 instead of T30. And I didn't realize when I purchased these that they were the same color. I really didn't. I just picked whatever I thought was gonna match my skin, but I can already tell that this concealer is gonna be almost exactly the shade of my skin, which is not a bad thing, but for me, concealer, I want it to be just a little bit lighter, you know what I mean? Alright, so anyway, let's just start with primer. I don't have CoverGirl primer. Honestly, I don't have a lot of CoverGirl foundation or makeup in general. So I'm going to use the Master Prime from Maybelline. This has been one of my favorite primers because it really does smooth everything out. It gets rid of all the little red marks. And I want to see how much this foundation is going to cover my imperfections. Let me zoom you in a little bit closer. As you can see, like I don't know if you can see really. Yeah, you can tell, like I have not so perfect skin. I have discoloration everywhere. I have really dark under circles. I have this little pimple right here that won't go away. This little blemish right here that won't go away. But let's see what happens. Before I add foundation, I always like to start out with concealer. That's just what I do because I want extra coverage. So I do concealer, I do foundation, and then I do another layer of concealer. That's just how my routine has been for so long now that I'm just gonna do that today. So I'm gonna start out with this, with the CoverGirl concealer, obviously. And I'm gonna go all over my under eye. Yeah, you can definitely tell it's the same tone of my skin. And I'm just gonna blend that out with a beauty sponge. Holy crap, you guys see that? What a difference. I honestly feel like I can use this as foundation. I quite like it. It's nice. Alright, so let me go in with the foundation. I'm just gonna apply it on right on the sponge. And just dab it everywhere. Yeah, so it's the exact same color as the concealer. Alright, so that was just one layer of foundation, and I'm gonna say that it's like a medium coverage, like a medium build coverage. Does that make sense? It's a comfort matte. It says that it's a comfort matte finish, oil-free formula. It is matte, but it's not like super matte. You can still see a little bit of a shimmer, not shimmer, a little bit of like a healthy glow, I would say. I am gonna go in with the second layer because again, I love full coverage, especially right around here. Okay guys, so that is the second layer. I covered this little blemish completely, so I like that a lot. I really like it. It looks very smooth. It doesn't feel heavy at all, and it's not fully matte, you know what I mean? Like it doesn't look dry, but it doesn't look oily at all either. All right, so now I'm going in with concealer again because that's just what I do, and I'm gonna definitely need to purchase a color that is a little bit lighter because I don't feel like it's giving me the whole like luminous, more bright eye feel that I like, you know what I mean? But it does feel so nice. And this, you guys, this concealer reminds me a lot of the Tarte concealer, the Shape Tape Tarte concealer. It's like they're basically the same thing with different packaging. The consistency is, the applicator is the same. Look at that. We have Covergirl and then we have Tarte. Is the same thing. And then we have Tarte. I'm almost out of Tarte. Yeah, it's the same consistency, the same thickness, the same everything, honestly, except the price, of course. The concealer, the Tarte concealer is like what, $27, and then the Covergirl concealer, let me just look that up to see how much, because I can't remember if it was like $7, I believe. I purchased it at Walmart, so let me see how much that is. Okay, so on the Walmart website, I actually went to the store, but I'm looking at the website for this particular one, the T30 foundation, and it looks like it's on sale right now, which is great, for $6.74. It usually runs at $8.42, or it's $8.42. I can't remember what I pay for this? I think I did pay $8 and some change for this, but right now it's on sale, it looks like. And then for the concealer, let's go back. So the concealer is $7.94, guys. $7.94, $27. $7.94, $27. Yeah. And I don't know about you guys, but I wanted a really good concealer, and this Tarte concealer I absolutely love, but it just hurts me. It pains me. Like, it really does hurt me to pay with taxes. It comes out to like $30 for a concealer, even though it's really good. I only purchased it to see what the hype was all about, and I did like it. But this, you guys, I love it, and I would definitely recommend this to anyone who's looking for a good concealer. I'm definitely going back to Walmart to buy a lighter, just a look, maybe 1 or 2 shades lighter than this one. Okay, all right, so now that we have that out of the way, I am gonna set my concealer. I don't know what's wrong with me. I had 2 cups of coffee today, so I'm a little bit hyper. All right, so I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just gonna set it. Well. Oh yeah, look at me now. Look at this transformation. Yes, I do set it on my smile lines as well. And I'm gonna grab a brush and kind of swipe that. Wow. Okay guys, so everything so far is looking really good. Concealer I love, the foundation I really love. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back with the final look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I already did everything except for setting spray, so I'm going to use the e.l.f. setting spray. I don't think, does Covergirl have a setting spray? I'm not really sure, but I'm going to use this because I like it. It does what it's supposed to do, so let's go in for it. Alright guys, so like I said, this is the finished look. I really love these 2 products. I'm very surprised at how full coverage, or you can build it up to have a full coverage look, and it's not 100% matte. It's like it says, it's a comfort matte. It's not super drying at all, and I have dry skin, you guys. I really do have dry skin, and this foundation looks so good. I feel like it covered everything. The concealer is amazing. I love it. All I need to do is purchase a different shade and we're good to go. But I am loving these 2 together, like so good. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think of this look. And also, I will be posting a video of this eye makeup as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye guys.